today we're going to be drawing a cute milkshake. We're going to be using all 4 of these colours, but at the end we'll colour in. So first we're going to want to do the cup. Do it like a rectangle, but don't do the top. Like this. And then you want it to be like that. And then you want to do the cute, adorable eye so it looks even cuter. And then you can do 2 eyelashes. And you can do the same on the other side. Your eyelashes, just like that. And then you want to do 2, like under the eyes, you want some cheeks and a smile, like that. And now we want to do like cream. So first we want to do this and make it look like it's dripping. Like that. And then you want to do the real top, just like that. And then you want to do the blueberry because it's a blueberry one. Well, first just do the leaf so it looks better. Like that. And then we want to do the blueberry. Like that. Then you want to do the back to the cream. Do a finger space, just so, do a finger space for like the straw when you're doing it. So a finger space, and you want to go there. See how that's a finger space? And then you want to make this a bit more in, just so the straw's not too big. Like that. And now we're going to do the good one, the straw. And do like the same what you just did there. Like that. Then we want to do it like a stripy straw. Like that. And now you might want to just do a little bit of stars like this. And then you want to do a little bit of circles to circle like that. Like that. And now we're going to do some circles here. 1 here, and 2 here, and then 2 here, 1 here, 1 here. And just keep on doing 2 in 1s because then it will look better. And that's like that, and I guess that's done. Alright, now we're just going to be doing the colouring in. First get this colour. And that's it now. Bye.